guys, welcome back to another video. So for this 2006 Honda Civic EX, what I'm doing actually, Danny's actually working right now, so he couldn't help me out, and I think he has a GoPro, so I had to record on my phone. But what I'm doing right now is on the windshield wiper, the spray, nothing came out. I mean, we filled it up, which was through here, and none of the spray was coming out. So I was wondering, I was like, maybe it was plugged, maybe like trash was like stuck in it. In these little pieces you see here, usually this sits like this. On this model, it'll sit like that. So to take this piece off, there's one clip here and one clip over there. So it's right here, so it sits right there. And once you take those clips off, this just pops up. That's it. You might have to kind of like play with the wiper to just lift it, and then just to kind of maneuver it like out of place. And once you have that out, the piece out, well, you just flip it over, and excuse me. All right, so these are the hoses. So this is the hose that runs into the first nozzle, this hose right here, and then there's the other one right here, and then it connects into this little like plastic tubing. So what had happened is, let me show you. Let me find the old pieces. Hold on. Really, the old pieces. Oh, so what had happened is, the reason why it wasn't spraying, well, this side actually goes this side. Let me give you guys a better understanding. But okay, so when this is all put together, so this side is facing this side, the passenger side. So what had happened is a rat, let me see if I can focus, hold on. So a rat chewed on the rubber hose, as you can see. So it chewed through, and it was like, so it was like this, and it chewed through. This is another piece, but it chewed through, and it just ripped it off. And then, so because that hose, there's a hose here that connects like so. This is all new hosings, by the way. So it connects this way, and from the old piece, from where the rat chewed it, from this old piece, ripped it off. And since this is the hose that connects through here, which sits under this piece right here, so you have to lift this up, and it sits right there, but it connects right here, and right here is where it was all torn apart. So when you would try to use the windshield wiper, fluid would go through here and then just fall out, because the hose from here was ripped. So anyways, so now I'm just replacing all the hoses. This hose, you can just get it like at your like local auto parts store. It could be AutoZone, O'Reilly's, whatever. They sell you it by the roll. So you just gotta bring them your old hosing, so that way they can measure just the diameter of the hose. And this was like 17 bucks, only because I got like 8.5 feet. So to replace this whole hose right here, the one right here that goes into the second one, and then the main one, which is the one that goes from the bottle, or I mean the reservoir, sorry, into this piece. So this connects here, goes here, and it flows down here. There's like these little clips that it clips onto. So let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I mean, clear. So let me see. It'll be a little bit hard, but you can see the hose right there. So it goes there, goes there. Sorry, I'm having trouble with the camera. So anyways, so the hose, like I said, it goes through there. So this is where the reservoir is. So let's see. So there's this plastic piece that usually sits right here on the side of the car. Again, this is just clipped on, so you can just remove it. And once you remove it, like I said, the hose goes down there. I removed the wheel. It's to remove the wheel, the lug nut size is a 19. Let me see. It's a 19 millimeter. I used a 1/2 inch electric gun, Mac. that took it off easy. So anyways, then you got to remove your fender liner. So your fender liner is this. It has a bunch of these type of clips. I use this type of tool to pry them out, and once you get that done, you can actually see. So this is the hose right here. So this is running from the top, and it goes tucked on through this way. Keeps going, and then you just move this harness a little bit, and let me see if you can see, and it goes right there. So this is where it plugs in. So this is your windshield wiper fluid reservoir. So like I said, this is the hose. So it's right here, right there. So I used 8.5 feet to of length to replace all that hosing, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So that's how you replace the hoses, or for the nozzles for your for a 2006 Honda Civic. So 19 millimeter with the gun to remove the wheels. I have my torque wrench right over here, 1/2 inch, so I can torque down the wheels once I'm done. Just need this pry tool and a pocket knife, or maybe like a blade or something, so that way you can cut the hose to length. So once you buy it from like your local auto parts store or whatever, you can just cut it to length, and that's it. Give me 1 second. Alright, so let me see if I can put the give me a second. Alright, so parts for the Evo, it's on back order. They say that the parts are gonna come in sometime this week, so waiting on that. So the video should come out soon for the Evo. Let's see, as far as for the 86, Danny put, let's say he put forced induction already on his car, so he's gonna record on that probably, hopefully either tomorrow or in a couple days, maybe like Monday or Tuesday, I don't know, depending on him, because he's working right now, or he's been busy. So that's the good thing. So he's gonna go over, like he's gonna give like an overview of like what he did to put it on. You guys are gonna see whether if it was a, you guys can guess if it's a supercharger or turbocharger. He's gonna go over that. His next step is tuning. So for that, he's actually gonna record the process on how he's doing it with the tuning, with the laptop and the EcuTake that he had ordered. And that's it. So just stay tuned. Sorry if the video is kind of like weird, only because I'm recording with my phone and it's kind of hard to kind of like, you know, show you guys what I'm doing and explaining and all this and blah blah blah. So make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, so that way you can stay tuned to more of the videos coming soon. Like I said, be patient, because I'm already impatient from, I'm already wanting to, you know, get my stuff from a certain company for so I can put the stuff on my Evo already and get the build going and enjoy it. So alright guys, thanks.